I'm going to do a quick overview of load test here. I'm going to go ahead and use a soatest.tst file without any modification to drive this load test, testing against the bookstore API. So I'm going to start by clicking on the new project button here, and I'll use soatest to drive it. I'll browse. This will automatically open up the previous workspace that I was using. Open my SOAP API and select my bookstore.tst. When I hit next, I'll get an opportunity to select the various profiles that I'll use. So a profile runs a series of tests. I'll select one to run search order confirm and one to run just a search scenario, and hit next. I'll do a basic configuration of my test case. So this will be a steady load of 2 virtual users, and I'm going to run this for 15 seconds. Obviously not a terribly useful load test, but it'll prove the point. On this page I can add some monitors here to monitor performance of the application under test, and then I've got some metrics that I can add in. Or I could configure multiple machines to run the test if I need to run a lot of load. I'm also going to select record individual hits. This will just give me some information on individual hit details, and I'm going to choose to start the load test immediately and hit finish. So this is going to start up my little 15-second load test here. And we can see graphs here: test start, complete, and error rates, min, max, and average execution time, and the number of virtual users. And when my load test is complete, I'll get this report that I can review that tells me various statistics about the test. Here are my metrics. I've got a statistics view where I can see all sorts of information, min, max, and average runtimes, and so on. I've got a detailed report where I can create graphs of whatever I would like, look at some of the individual hit statistics and see the distribution, all sorts of different stuff that I can do here. So that's running a load test.